Dr. Natalie Cordova. We're going to be stretching out the hip rotators. So if you're at the office and you want to be able to stretch your hip rotators, secure a space where you're on a chair, your feet are grounded. Bringing up the knee, the side that you're going to stretch, the knee goes over, your ankle goes over the knee, and you're stretching out that rotator. This is the first level. If this is all you can do, great. As you start to advance, you're trying to shorten the angle between you and your hip, and you're going to aim so that you can get to all the way down and touching your toe. You're going to hold that there at least for 30 seconds, build up to a minute, and then maybe even to 2 minutes. Coming out of that, just slowly bring it back up, switching legs so that you're stretching now the other side. You may notice that one's tighter than the other, but you're still aiming to get the outside of your hip, and you're allowing those muscles to stretch in this position. Holding it there, reaching all the way down so you're touching your toes. Hold it there for at least 30 seconds, build up to 2 minutes.